This video shows you how to install a hard disk on your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the controller board shield. Disconnect the fax interface cable from the controller board. Remove the hard disk port cover from the controller board shield. Unpack the printer hard disk. Assemble the hard disk. Attach the hard disk to the controller board shield. Connect the hard disk cable and fax interface cable to the controller board, and then attach the controller board shield. Install the screws. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.